Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate or download PDF file for confirmation of receiving account for any company or client in Payoneer account. Confirmation of receiving account verified that you are a Payoneer account holder and include the detail of a specified Payoneer receiving account. Provide this statement to any market or client that require an official document confirming the detail of the receiving account to which they pay you. So we are in home page. On left side you see account activity, so click on it. Then you see multiple option and then you see report and statement and then you see confirmation of receiving account and then you see info card, so click on it first and then you see a statement confirming that you are a Payoneer account holder and include the detail of our specified Payoneer receiving account. Now close, so click on it and then you see confirmation of receiving account, sending statement to, so you can add your client name or company name like Hassan and then click on next. Now you see statement detail, select receiving account currency, so we have to, so you can select according to your requirement, so we select USD and then you see USD receiving account drop down, so you can select according to your requirement. Now click on it, now select and then you see bank name, First Century Bank, bank address, routing number, account number of our Payoneer, account type checking and then you see beneficiary name and then click on download. Now generating and downloading your file, so file download done, so click on it. So this is our letter and then you see date and then you see client name or company name, so you can add your client or company name and then you see subject confirmation of Payoneer receiving account and then you see all detail. We are providing this statement. This statement serves the confirm that account holder is a registered user of Payoneer payment services and receives payment via the Payoneer receiving account whose detail are listed below and then you see all detail and then you see USD receiving account detail, routing number, account number, date of issue, bank name. So you can submit this document to any company or client. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.